I see your face in morning light, a fleeting dream that fades from sight. I call your name, but no reply, just empty echoes in the sky. The loneliness, it stays with me since you have gone to eternity. My broken heart can't find its way